Amit, thank you so much for the valuable journey and tenure with FundTQ team. So, but would like to know more from your end, how was the experience so far?
It was amazing journey and I had a great time here. I was involved in very different aspects of the investment banking. I was preparing pitch decks. I was reaching out to the clients, reaching out to the investors. So in all, it was very amazing and fruitful journey here. I learned a lot.
So, Amit, what are challenges you faced during the journey and how you managed to cope up with those challenges?
So, being from the valuation background, I shifted to investment banking. So, initially, it was a little bit different because it is a front end job and I had to interact with the founders, interact with the investors. So, there was a little bit challenge in that, but my team was very supportive here. My partner, my juniors, and my seniors were very supportive. They provided me with the confidence, so I could be able to communicate, and I learned a lot from them. They taught me negotiation skills and all the necessary skills which is necessary for dealing with the investors and the promoters of the company.
Okay, great. So Amit, last but not the least, wanted to know what message you want to pass on to the investment bankers, upcoming investment bankers.
Investment banking is not in itself a very easy job. It's a little bit challenging, but you must have passion for it to join it. There won't be any easy things which you are going to do here. But obviously, if you have passion, you can overcome anything. At FundTQ, you have a very good team, great team, which are going to support you in every step of your journey. So they are going to support any way which you need, from financials, from financial modeling, and everything, from client sourcing, investor sourcing, and all the things. You will have help in every step of your way. So it's great if you join FundTQ. It would be an amazing experience here.